A newly constructed Bailey Bridge over Imphal River that connects Mutum Phibo with Irongkhul collapsed today when a loaded truck was trying to cross the bridge. The driver, who went missing, was later found dead by the rescue team inside the truck. The deceased driver has been identified as Usab Uddin, 48 years of age, son of Ibosana from Mayang, Imphal, Bengun. The incident occurred at around 7 a.m. today when the truck loaded with firewood tried to cross the iron bridge. The iron bridge reportedly broke in the middle and the truck along with the driver got trapped and fell into the river. Locals managed to save 2 persons who were in the truck while another escaped unscathed. Manipur Fire Service, police and SDRF were deployed to carry out rescue work. The rescue team later pulled up the truck from the river. According to locals, the Bailey Bridge was inaugurated 2 to 3 months back and was allowed to be used by light vehicles. On the other hand, RDNPR Minister Yumnam Khemchand inspected the incident site and has ordered a probe within 3 days.